Do you struggle finding content to share on social media as a boudoir photographer? Well, today I'm going to share some tips and tricks on how you can beef up your social. Let's go.
You do things to me that I just can't describe. The way you say my name just makes me tremble deep inside. I wanna feel your touch and get enough of your sweet.
Hi friends, my name is Kritzy and I am an international boudoir photographer. If you like what you see here today, please hit the subscribe down below and the little bell to get notifications for upcoming videos. I will be adding a video every week and I would love to see you here and love if you join my community here on YouTube. Also, if you want to jump over to Instagram and follow me there, I'd love to see you there as well. Today I'm going to be talking about social media content, so definitely hop over to my social and check it out. Today I want to share some tips on how you can have more content for your social media, because being a boudoir photographer, it can be very tricky to find content because a lot of clients don't wish to share their photos. So one of the tricks that you can do is start photographing their lingerie, their shoes, just all those little things that they bring, jewelry. You can use those from the shoot on your social, and even as behind the scenes photos, you can use them for your Instagram stories, your Facebook stories, and just say, oh, check out my client's wardrobe today. It's super cute. You can even tag the lingerie brands to help boost up your social. So this is one of the tricks that I don't actually do as much anymore, but when I first started sharing on social, I found that I had hardly any photos that I could share because most of my clients were like, no, you can't share any photos. This is a big problem for a lot of boudoir photographers, even a lot of photographers that shoot a lot. It still can be very tricky to get content. So that's a great trick to do, is to just photograph lingerie. Another thing that you can do is a lot of clients don't mind sharing body shots. So this means no face. You can even crop photos to not show their face, but you definitely have to get permission in advance. Just make sure it's written permission that you're allowed to share their photos, and at least like no face photos. So throughout the shoot, when you're taking photos, definitely make sure that you get some great body shots or detail shots throughout. And this is great for your client to have, but also great for you to use for your social. Another tip is looking for inspirational quotes that you can slide in there in between your posts, so that way you have something extra that you can put in there. And it also makes your feed look super cute, and you can use these for all of your social platforms. So definitely look for those. You can find lots of them on Pinterest. Just make sure that it stays true to your brand and that you're using really good quality photos. Like if you use a quote, you can even make your own. There's Canva, there's all kinds of apps that you can make these pretty little quotes that you drop into your social. Something else that you can do is set up your phone on a little tripod while you're shooting, but actually face towards you and not your client. So this way you can use these for behind the scenes as your Instagram or your Facebook feeds. It's always great to have some of that content to show as well. People love to see what you're doing, and it makes them feel more comfortable and connected to you when you can share some cute little behind the scenes videos. You can even do like the boomerang from Instagram. Just set it up, do something funny, and then share that. So there's lots of little things that you can do to help keep creating content without it having to actually show your client. You can show yourself, which I know a lot of people feel uncomfortable with that. However, it's a great way for your clients to get to know you. So just get used to being in front of the camera a little and start doing some behind the scenes shot. Another idea is visiting your local lingerie shop. and going through and doing a little video of all the cute lingerie that they have. And it could even be Victoria's Secret. Go wherever there's a lingerie shop close to you and just go in and film some of the pieces. You can take photos and then also do a little behind the scenes film. And these can be posted directly to your social, and it's just something interesting for your potential clients to see and your followers. So definitely think about that. Really anything that involves lingerie or involves boudoir, you could go and do cute little behind the scenes photos. And this is including like hair and makeup. So if you have a really great hair and makeup artist, you could do a little behind the scenes video of her working, also photos of her working. In the beginning, when I first started with boudoir, I did this a lot. I posted a lot of photos of behind the scenes just so my clients could get to know me, but also see my hair and makeup artist. If you have a studio, another thing that you can do is film your studio, take photos of your studio, share those on social, and you can share even things about yourself. People definitely want to get to know you before they book you, so be sure to include things about yourself as well. I mostly do this on my stories because I feel like it makes my feed look more cohesive without posting those kind of shots in between. But a lot of my potential clients and followers watch my stories, so that way I just post it in there. So if you want to keep your feed kind of more cohesive, then post that kind of content in your stories. And you can also do IGTV. That's another great way. It also shows at the top of your feed. It does go into your actual feed as well, so it will show up as one of your posts. So this brings me back to, if you don't have a studio and you're shooting on location, or if you're shooting at someone's home or even at hotels, something that you can do with that is doing cute little room shots or detail shots in the room of things that are around that might look boudoirish. Or if you plan on doing a shoot with just this beautiful headboard that's in the room, you can take a photo of that and say, I'm so excited to show off this headboard with my client today. I mean, there's so many little things that you can photograph to kind of hype up the session and share on social. So make sure you look for those little details as well, especially if you're going to a client's home to shoot there. You could do little details at their home of just things that might be there, like the door going into their bedroom, or you know, if you lay things out on the bed and doing like a long shot and showing like the whole bed, could be really beautiful for your social media post. So those are my tips for today. I appreciate you stopping by and watching this video. Again, I hope that you will hit the subscribe button and follow me on Instagram, and I will see you guys soon. Thanks. Bye.